perkenalkan nama saya Windy Eka Putri dengan NIM 24104141846 dari kelas M2. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan materi yang berjudul Business Email dan Business Letter. Apa itu Business Email dan Business Letter? Yuk simak video ini teman-teman. Business communication is crucial in the workplace because all work activities require clear and precise information. Without effective communication, misunderstanding can arise, ultimately hindering work through business communication. Message, source, hours, interaction, collaboration, and important information can be conveyed in a more authentic and professional manner. In the workplace, there are two main forms of business communication frequently used: business email and business letter. Business email is typically used for faster and more practical communication, such as sending messages or everyday information. Business letter, on the other hand, are used for more formal and official purposes, such as letter of cooperation or important company announcements. Email ku kirim di pagi hari, lewat jaringan sampai ke nagari. Pesan singkat tapi berarti, bentuk kerja jadi rapi. Subjekku tulis jangan sembarang, biar penerima langsung paham. Salam pembuka penuh sopan, tunjukkan sikap yang berkesan. Isi pesanku jelaskan langsung, cuan tanpa berputar agar mudah dipahami, tak bikin bingung yang membaca nanti. Email sampah tujuan, praktis juga fleksibel kawan, dipakai setiap hari dalam kerja dan urusan. Penutup manis ku ucapkan, terima kasih jadi kebiasaan, dengan bahasa yang sopan, terlihat profesional dan berkesan. Mailku kirim di pagi hari. Business email is emailation for work or business purpose. This email is the primarily cause because of its speed and convention, allowing messages to be received immediately. Therefore, business email is often used for daily communication in the workplace, such as conveying information, coordinating, or sending important documents. In business email, there are several important parts to pay attention to. First, the subject line serves as a brief overview of the topic being discussed, so that the recipient can immediately understand the purpose of the email. Secondly, greeting is an opening greeting used to politely greet the recipient. Next, the body section contains the main purpose of the email, such as conveying specific information or requests clearly and directly. Finally, the closing section is used to politely end the email, usually with a thank you or good wishes. Business letter is an official letter used in the business world to convey information formally, compare while a business letter has a higher level of formality. But in terms of language and structure, therefore, this letter is usually used for important purposes, such as cooperation between companies, official requests, or the delivery of official information that must be well documented. Business letters, there are several important parts that must be considered. First, this letterhead contains the identity of the company or agency, such as the name, address, and logo, which indicates that the letter is official. Second, the date indicates the time the letter was written to clarify when the letter was written. The destination address contains the recipient information so the letter can reach the right party. Next, the body of the letter is the main part that contains the purpose of or message to be conveyed clearly and formally. Finally, the signature serves as proof of the letter validity and so the party responsible for the contents of the letter. Kertas putih jadi saksi, pesan resmi penuh arti, ditulis rapi dan terstruktur, bahasanya pun harus teratur. Kop surat jadi pembuka identitas, jelas terlihat nyata tanggal, ditulis jangan terlupa, agar jelas waktu dibuatnya. Alamat tujuan dituliskan supaya tepat sampai tujuan. Isi surat penuh makna untuk urusan yang utama. Surat resmi penuh arti dipakai untuk hal berarti lebih formal dan pasti dalam dunia industri. Tanda tangan di bagian akhir bukti, sayang tak tersisi, menunjukkan tanggung jawab di atas pesan yang telah diberi. Email cepat tiap hari, surat resmi untuk janji, dua cara saling melengkapi dalam kerja kita jalani. Kalau butuh yang praktis jadi pilihan manis. Kalau urusan lebih serius, surat resmi lebih fokus. Pilih sesuai kebutuhan, jangan sampai salah tujuan. Komunikasi jadi penentu dalam kerja maju selalu. Yang penting tetap sopan walau beda penggunaan. Bahasa harus diperhatikan agar pesan mudah dipahami. Email dan surat berjalan bersama, menjadi bagian dunia kerja. Kalau kita gunakan dengan benar, pasti sukses akan mengejar.